Good boy.
I won't try to argue or hold it against you. I know
Good
that
boy.
you leave